Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to deposit money to your Coinchange account. If you don't have a Coinchange account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $40 once you complete the registration process. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the Deposit tab. Then you will see several options. Click on the Bank Transfer option. Now, select the payment method. Then enter the amount you wish to deposit. So the minimum deposit amount is $50. After entering, click on Next. Now, review the deposit details. After reviewing and if everything looks good, click on the Deposit button. That's how you deposit money to your Coinchange account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.